It's Resurrecting Relics. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon, and as promised, we're doing our giveaway drawing today. If you have followed our channel, you know we're giving away some pretty awesome stuff. And if you're new to our channel and you're a new subscriber, welcome. Thank you for coming along on our adventures with us. We hope you hang around and go on many more. We want to wish everybody that has entered our giveaway the best of luck. And Tim?
I just want to say, guys, that there's a few people that are really trying hard to win. And 365 Headhunter, he did say that he had already cleaned out his mailbox in preparation for the stuff to get there. So we thought that was funny. But what we want to do is we want to do it in a way where that you guys know there's no way we cheated.
Absolutely.
I want to show the bucket right quick. We'll just get that out of the way now.
While he's walking over there, also, guys, showing you the bucket.
There's nothing inside of the bucket whatsoever. And then we put the paper on it so I couldn't see inside of the bucket. But I'm going to be blindfolded when I reach in the bucket. We're going to shake it up good and
we're also going to show you guys everyone who entered, and I'm just going to go down the list and do shout outs for those channels. There's some pretty amazing channels that have entered our giveaway and amazing people behind those channels. We appreciate all of our subscribers. As I've said before, we think of our subscribers as our family, and we appreciate you more than you know. I mean, the response that we have gotten to our arrowhead hunting adventures has been crazy. But all right, guys, we're going to get this show on the road, and Tim is going to show you guys all the names that entered, and I'm going to call them off just so you know that your name was there.
Apologize for the shaky video for a second here, guys.
All right, guys, so what I did was I wrote everyone who entered down, and then I went through this morning and rewrote them and scribbled your name out as I cut your name out. But we're going to go ahead and start.
Yeah, turn those around that one that's crooked back. There you go.
All right, guys, we have Missouri Outdoor Adventures, Justin Benz, Ian King, Mandy Brown, Southern Illinois Creekwalker, Okie Headhunter, Princess L. Faulkner, King Solomon, Rondelay OK, Bobby Jackson, Mr. Muskie Man 40, History Looker 7, Clegg's Adventures, Indian Trace, Brad Selvey, Life with Christ Ministries, Larry Druitt, David Gamble, Hawkins Lithics, Farthing, Relic Man, Jeannie McQuinn, Kelly O'Neill, 365 Headhunter, Goat, Me and My Shadow, D. Hoffner, Elaine Alderette, Jana Farmer, Minnie and Mama Daisy Graham, Norman Sears, Creek Life, Outdoors Gamer Guy, Mud Stompers, The Kaiser, Tennessee Rocks, Eric Phillips, Goat and Tiller Outdoor Adventures, Mr. Dr. Osaby, Relic Addicts, Tim Zafla, HLK 84, JC Honecone, Gary Kelly, Peaches from Goat and Tiller's Outdoor Adventures.
His wife got in, guys.
Life of Murphy's Outdoor Channel, Phil Maida, Ontario Rockhound, Commissioner Tom, Backcountry Relics, Pac-Man John, Elijah Van Daypole, Fred 4422-3, John Green, Stan Gord, Eagle Beak Arrowheads, Sue Russell, Jesse Thornton, Charles Baldwin, Catfishing with Old Dad, Randy Mann, and Plateauman. And guys, if I butchered your name, I'm sorry. I'm country as cornbread. Don't hold it against me.
And I'm going to set the camera back up, guys, to make sure that it's on the table. I wanted to get our deer heads in there. Okay.
All right, guys, just bear with us. We're going to fold all these, put them in the bucket, put the lid on it, I'm gonna blindfold Tim. We're gonna shake it up really well, and I'm gonna make him dig in and get one.
So we're gonna try to make sure that we fold them the same size. So we're gonna half them up and then maybe fold them like twice more so that they're small. Is that about how you're doing it?
Yeah, I folded it twice. Once over like that, and then once again.
Yeah, so that's about the right size.
Yeah.
Okay.
We hope everyone has had a good week.
Oh yeah.
We have definitely had a good week. We had fun turkey hunting yesterday.
Even though we didn't get one.
Yeah, even though we didn't get one. We saw that he was probably 23, 25 pounds the day before. If you watched that video, you know we ran up on him, and then we thought for sure that we had him in the bag.
Oh yeah.
But
I just knew that he was God sent, and it didn't happen at all. We got up there right at daylight. I mean, it was barely starting to crack daylight. So the only thing I could think was if he was in the tree and he seen us come in there, he might have flew out and we didn't know it because I'd not roosted him yet. So I didn't know where he was roosting at. So that's a possibility.
I'm pretty glad though that we didn't get him, because if we had have got him,
What's wrong with you, Mom?
you would have put that video in there of me nodding.
Oh yeah. I see it was a joke.
I got so cold, even though I had my bibs and 3 pairs of socks on and 3 shirts, I freeze to death. And we're sitting there, and we had been there probably 2 hours waiting on this turkey to come through, and I got really still. You know how hunting is, you can't move, and got really still, and then got really warm because I had put a jacket over me, and apparently had fallen asleep.
Well, I said she had my phone because she was going to film the turkey, and I noticed she was nodding really well, and so I'm like, let me have my phone. So she gave it to me, and then I waited a few minutes, and she started doing it again, and I got a little clip of her nodding off, which...
What was funny though was as I was nodding, every time I would wake myself up when my head would drop and I would go like this, I would think to myself, oh my gosh, I hope my hat's down far enough so he don't realize that I'm over here nodding.
It was pretty obvious, I'll tell you that. I thought she was going to fall out of the chair a couple times.
But then he ended up getting it on video, and I was like, oh my gosh, he's going to post this to YouTube. But
And I thought about just posting the video anyway, and I was like, well, we didn't kill anything, so there's no sense in, posting it.
it was fun though, and then once we realized about 2 o'clock yesterday evening that the turkey was not coming, we climbed out of the blind and went looking for hickory chickens, but we didn't come up on any of those either.
Yeah, we were trying to get some content, and it didn't happen.
Well, I call them hickory chickens. Some people call them dryland fish and morels, but I've always called them hickory chickens. So, but we are going to go hunting for some pretty soon. I hope it's not already too late.
We had a lot of names.
Yes, we did.
But
We had a lot of people enter,
Uh-huh.
which was super cool. The response that we had was awesome. But guys, if you like what we're putting out and you stick around, Tim and I have already discussed it, and every giveaway is just going to be better and better. We want to keep you guys engaged. We want to give you guys the incentive to, stick around and watch our channel. And of course, we're not trying to buy you, but as our fans or loyal followers or whatever you call yourselves,
And,
we want to be able to give back to people too.
we like your channels as well,
Yes.
and it's just good that we can all get on here and be friends. And
We have a pretty good community of people, guys. As most of you know, Tim is a Navy vet, and going through the pandemic and everything was really hard on everybody's psyche. I know there's some people that don't turn the news on right now because of everything going on, but us being able to start the YouTube channel and Tim being able to correspond with all of our subscribers has really been good for him mentally. You guys don't know how much you've helped him just in that aspect of things.
okay, I'm not going to put the lid on their grate because it's going to be hard to get off, but I'm going to shake it a little bit, and then I'm going to let her shake it a little bit.
You better take your spectacles
might be able to see a folded up name inside of a box with a big piece of paper on it and a blindfold.
We want to make sure.
You want to shake it for a minute?
Yeah.
Baby, I had contact right here.
Well, I was going to try it. I mean, it'll be fine. I'll shake it again before I give it to you.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, guys, is your heart pumping? Ready to go?
We're gonna do this.
Too tight?
No, it's fine.
All right, guys. Here we go.
And we're gonna hold it up high. Guys, I want you to see that I have nothing in my hands, between my fingers, at all, so there's no way this can be rigged. It is what it is. Okay, now you're just gonna have to tell me where it's at.
Can you reach it?
Okay. So, let me kind of just dig around, move them around, kind of sift them up a little bit, and I don't know. God's telling me not that one. Okay, I think I got one.
All right, guys. Let's see who won this. Minnie and Mama Daisy Graham, you are the winner. I'm going to show you this. See if I'm in frame, babe.
Okay, let me go around here. Yeah, come straight in. Okay. And you'll need to send us comment on the video and leave
No,
us
I'm going to pin a comment
to her.
on this video.
Okay.
It'll be right as soon as the comments start. I'm going to pin a comment, and I'm going to put an email address on there for you to contact with your mailing information on there. Is that
Well,
what's gonna do?
365, you can just go fill your mailbox. Okay, here's what you're winning right here. Just wanted to say that I came over to get the camera to show the product, and it said iPhone storage full. And luckily, it actually filmed us drawing the name and everything up until where it cut off. So I was telling her, I bet it filmed it all the way up until we drew out the name and then it cut off. But luckily it filmed that. So there's the stuff. And
Guys, I just wanted to say the people that went and watched the video of Tim and I singing, I really appreciate it. We tried to upload another video that I had practiced there Sunday and ended up getting a copyright claim. And I figured out in order to upload music, we have to have 2 different licenses to be able to do that. And we have already sent off for a license and never got it. So I'm not really sure how that's going to go there. But I think what I'm going to do is, because we love to do music and he is just as good as I am, I'm going to put together an email list. And when we do videos of music, we can just email them to you. So, anyways, good luck.
thanks so much for everything you guys did. And I also wanted to say that the shaky videos are getting ready to come to an end. That we're going to get a iPhone gimbal. My brother's going to give it to us, and he's starting up a channel. And we will go ahead and be doing better videos in the future for you guys. All right, thanks so much, and y'all have a good day.